gets the message. So, and then move the contact just a little bit. Move the neck a little bit, you know, or the outside bend, yeah, or inside, whatever works best. Move the contact and lower the neck, and you keep it at a slow pace. Slow it down again, slow it down again. Careful there, you know, as soon as she lets go, she trots off again. Slow, so strong core, you know, bring it back, and hold it as you see. And then you gotta be able to let go without her taking off again. Yeah, slow, yes, and then let go again. And slow, and let go, and slow, and let go, you know, until it works. Move the contact, bend a little bit, be a little quicker in front, let go again. Hold her as you see, no faster, yeah, and lower, and slower. Slow and low. Move the contact. So now that's starting to look better now. Move the bit again, move the neck also a little bit. Yeah, back to maybe the right bend for just a moment again. Get a little bit of outside connection. Back to the left again. Slow it down again. And low, yeah. There. So that's starting to look better, yeah. Yeah, and then, yeah, you gotta get to the point where you can use your leg, you know, and you can push it.